Hello and welcome to Save, Make, Spend SMS. This is the very first video that I have done, and the whole purpose of this channel is to try and pass on simple knowledge that I have gained through either speaking to people, things that I put into practice that I want to pass on to other people that can hopefully save you money, make you money, and then we can talk about how you're going to spend it. Today's topic is about FIFA coins. Now, I've been playing FIFA for 5-6 years, which isn't a long time, but I used to play Pro Evo religiously for the last 20 years. That was the game until it just became shit, really. So now I've been playing FIFA for the last 5 years, and in the last few years I have really learned how to make loads of money, pack good players, have enjoyment without spending a bean. And a lot of people spend money buying coins, getting the packs. To me, it's just cheating, and to me it takes away all the fun of the game. The whole purpose of Ultimate Team is to build the best team and whip ass. That is it. That is the goal of it, like for me anyway. Now, I'm not unfortunately that good at Ultimate Team, right? I'm not going to lie here and say I'm the best person ever, but I am great at making money in FIFA. Now, I'm great at getting coins, and I'm going to run through the top 5 tips for doing that. Look at the team from 2019. Now look at the team for 2020. These teams I have built from not spending one penny, and I've also had millions of pounds in the bank. Now, people are going to say, well, how have you done that? Blah, blah, blah. You must be buying cheap coins, cheating. No, none of that. What I am literally doing is these 5 things, and I'm going to start listing them so you can do the exact same thing. Here is tip 1. Tip 1 is to sell silver and bronze players. Shit players. Now, you probably wonder why people put these shit players up for such big prices, okay? It's for squad builder challenges. That is the key thing. It's not for people's teams. It's not because somebody really wants this crappy player. It's purely because of squad builder challenges. So you need to take advantage of this. Once I get FIFA, I list my silver and bronze players. That is the first thing I do. And currently, at any one time, I will have about 80 players on the market, silver and bronze, mixed, rare, common, whatever it may be. What you're going to want to do is then list the silver and bronze players, okay? So I list them for 12 hours at a time. No real reason to doing it, but I just do it that way because it's a nice sweet spot for me. I do it at 9 in the morning. It means at 9 at night I have to relist them again, usually first thing in the morning and when I go to bed. Okay, it's easy, it's simple. I don't have to worry about relisting them throughout the day. The reason I don't go longer than that is because the timer times down. You've probably noticed that yourself. When you're bidding on something, you don't scroll through days and days worth of shit. You literally go, right, there's the price I want to pay. It's the first one that comes up, you pay it. So it gives that kind of sweet spot. So that's the reason behind that. The prices that I put them up for then is simple. Silver rares go on at 8 bid, buy now, 9. Common players are grand less than that. 7 bid, buy now, 8. Bronze rare will be the exact same as that, with the common ones going down a grand less, so that becomes 6 bid, 7 buy now. Put them on for 12 hours. Have as many on the transfer market as possible, and I guarantee you that at least 5 will sell a week. It is as simple as that. Every day I turn on my phone, there's at least one that goes through. 10 grand, 8 grand, easy a day in your hand. That is number 1 tip. Tip number 2 is to do the single player squad battles, but don't spend your whole friggin' life doing them. Just do enough to get to say goal 2, goal 1. That's reasonably easy. Maybe win 4 or 5 matches on legendary difficulty. You'll walk the park. And try to always play legendary difficulty, especially when you're playing your silver crappy chemistry teams. Legendary, you should walk it in the park. If I can do it, everybody can do it, because like I said, I ain't that good at this. So that should be something that everybody should do. You should spend the rest of your time then playing division rivals online. A, it's more fun because playing the computer just sucks balls, and 2, you do make better packs and make more money. So that's tip 2. Tip 3 is to play division rivals. As I previously said, squad battles, it's good to get the points. Always do them because it's easy points. But at the same time, division rivals is better because you get better rewards, it's more fun, and the packs at the end are always going to be better. Plus, if you haven't already got the Weekend League qualification, you will also gain Weekend League points. Baby! Tip 4 is to choose rewards that are untradeable. I know it's very tempting to choose the tradable in case you get Ronaldo and you can put him on the market and make millions of pounds, but let's be honest, it's not going to happen. Okay, so what you're best doing is choosing untradeable rewards. That way you're going to double your chances of getting a good player that you can put straight into your team. You're going to pack high rated players that you can use for your squad battles, which is very, very, very important. Okay, my final tip 5, is to do squad building challenges. Okay, so in my previous tip I talked about how you're going to get untradeable rewards. Well, this is where you get to use them. Okay, so you'll use them for squad building challenges. And what do you get? Tradable rewards. Okay, so this is what you're going to do. You're going to be able to easily do your squad building challenges now with being able to use all these players. What I normally do is I go in and I look at the challenge, the criteria is, fill out as much as it straight away as I can. Go on websites like Futbin, FUTBIN. Go on those websites and you'll be able to see how people have completed previous challenges. But better yet, I actually just use their player list, filter what options I have to be able to make current players work. Now you'll be able to go into a squad battle and probably be able to do a lot of jiggery pokery straight off the bat to be able to pull a team together, and then you maybe only need like 2 or 3 players. Find the cheapest player that will fill that position. Use concept squads, they are your friends. Use them, build a team, and fucking get it in there. That's my tip. Go in, get the squad building challenges done, get tradable rewards that way. And then hopefully you'll get the Ronaldo, you put him on the market, you make a fortune. Very easily done, and it's a great way of being able to pack plenty of players and plenty of coin. You can do as well to get coins and to rank up divisions without actually playing the game is this. Play in semi-pro difficulty or below. Go into the game, score a few goals within the first 10 minutes, run to your own half and sit in the corner. Now, you can go about doing things that your wife's asked you to do. You can go and play with your daughter. Go do what you ever want to do. Come back in 15-20 minutes. You've got the points banked. It's as simple as that. And it's an easy way to be able to get a few points in without actually having to do anything. Also, you may have played at those foundation squad battles that require 100 chemistry. Now, there is ways of being able to do it. If you pack the players, you can work out the full chemistry. But sometimes you end up having to play 10 games to get the loyalty up. Well, you can also, when you're doing these semi-pro games, why not buck on a load of those players? You can throw on 11 players, do that without having to just do the whole trick of starting the game, quitting the game to get the loyalty up, play the games, get some points in. It's very, very easy to do, and it won't hurt your record either. So that's it. That's my very, very first video. Not that you'll have seen this because I'm going to edit the shit out of this, but I stumbled so many times. So if you do like this video, please like it, please subscribe. Even if you don't like it, please give me feedback, and I'm going to have plenty of videos of all different things that I've talked about in my description. If you want to see what kind of upcoming videos are coming, that's where you'll find the information. But please subscribe, and I will give you more content on a weekly basis. I'm looking forward to doing this. I'm pumped about doing this. SMS, save, make, spend, baby!